Hello guys, today in this video we will learn how to install MongoDB on Windows. So firstly open the browser and simply type MongoDB. So you can see this is the official website mongodb.com. Click on this. Now go to products and click on community edition. Now download community. Now scroll it down. So you can see this is the version, the platform and the package MSI. So click on download. So you can see it has started downloading. It will take some minutes, so you can wait. So you can see it has installed. So open this installer file and minimize the window. Now click on next. Click on accept the terms. Go to next. Click on complete. Install MongoDB as a service. Run service as a network service user. This is service name and this is data directory and this is log directory. So go to next. I will not install MongoDB Compass, so go to next and click on install. So it will take some time, so you guys can wait. Now it is installed, so click on finish. We have to open the path in which the MongoDB folder has installed. So in program files, MongoDB, click on server, click on 8.0, click on bin and copy this path and open environment variables. In advanced, click on environment variables, click on path, then OK. Click on environment variables again, double click on path, click on new, paste this path and OK, and the last OK. Now we have to download MongoDB shell. So go to browser, open new tab, type MongoDB shell and click on MongoDB shell download. So this is the current installer version. I'll choose the MSI package and click on download. Only 45 MB. So it is downloaded. Click on next. Go to next. Now click on install. So it will get installed and it is installed. Now we have to verify the installation. So open command prompt and type mongo d space hyphen version and click on next. So this is the current version. So we have successfully installed MongoDB. Now we have to start MongoDB. So again open command prompt and this time type mongo sh and press enter. So this is the current version, MongoDB 8.0.4 and Mongo Shell 2.3.8. Now to show the default databases, type show dbs. So these are the default databases. Now to switch on the specific databases, let's say type use coding beam DB. So we have switched to coding beam databases. Now within this we can create collection. So to create collection, type db dot create collection, and let's say students. So students, and press enter. So we have successfully created collection. Thank you for watching this video. Hope you like it, guys, and please subscribe our channel for more related videos.